Hello, welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all my stubby for your support. If you're new here, welcome. Uh, I have just a little unboxing today, and I'm sorry I have been so busy travel for work back and forth, so I didn't have time to update any new video. And I have been looking for this item for a long time, but every time I went to the store, visit the store, and they either don't have the color that I want or they don't have my size. So when I browsing on Hermes website last week, uh, I saw this one exactly the color I want and with my size, so that's why I pick it up. I order right away. It have been arrived last week, but I didn't have time to open it, so I keep waiting. And I try to have some time this week so I can open it and share with you. And further ado, let's open it. When you order online, it comes in the white plastic bag like this, and just for protection, your item not get wet. And not like when you order online, there are nothing to say about Hermes, only the address, and like that's it. It's very understated. And when your package arrive, nobody know. And if it rain or snow, is your package still protected. That's how I love when I order Hermes online. And inside is the white box like this. And inside of the white box is the orange box. On the top of the box have a Hermes building, and this how it packaged. I love Hermes package. It's very pretty. And this is the orange box, and this is the receipt. And yeah, this is the receipt. And also they include the blank card for you, because I select as the gift, so I can have this card just in case I need to write something to give to someone. But this one is for myself, not for someone else, so I just check on it. And this is the instruction for the letter instruction, and they have the very nice envelope to keep the receipt in there. Okay, let's open it. Usually I keep all the box, I put the small box in the inside of the big box, and I keep it in my closet for all the Hermes box. Okay. Open it. And I have the pouch. Yeah, a long time ago, I saw my cousin when she ordered the belt. It's a belt. They have a really pretty box, and so you can put in there, and when you don't use it, and you keep the shape and in your closet. But nowadays, when I ordered last two belt I ordered, they just came like a dust bag like this. And this is the small size, is 15 nanometer. This is the 24 nanometer. I got this before, like 2 years ago, and I really want the thin belt so I can wear with my dress whenever, because I'm very petite, so I really want the thin belt. And I've been looking for like so many brand, luxury brand, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and Hermes. But so far, Hermes is the one I really love to have, and but this is the one I want to get before the 24, but they never have my size and or the color that I looking for. And usually the black and white in like neutral color is kinda in my size is kinda tough to get. And I keep every time I visit the store, I ask my SA and he say no, they don't have it. And so I keep coming back and every time, but they don't have it. And even I went on the Hermes website, they don't have my size. And for reference, I wear size 2 in clothing, and sometimes some brand I have to go up a size like Sandro or Take Baker. I have to wear like size 2 in Take Baker or 38 in Sandro. That means size 4 in US. But most of the time I wear a size 2 in US size clothes for US. And this I ordered in size 80. And this, what is the belt called, the buckle called, and this they call mini constant, and this one is called focus. Yeah, focus belt buckle. This they not call constant, but they call focus. And let me open this, how it look like. It's look like almost close, not like mini constant. It's kind of a little different, but more like more simple. And let me put it on so you can see. Yeah, you just slide it in like a mini constant. And this is in rose gold, and you just snap it on. And I have two. This is reversible. I picked the one side is black and another side is gold. And on the strap on the belt is where is it? Where they stamp it with yeah, it's right here, but it's very hard to see. And they stamp the side and in there, the code in there, but it's very hard to see. And I wish they stamp on the black side so it can easy to see, but it's not. It's stamped on the gold on the gold color. Yeah, is I wish you can see it, but it's right here. Yep. And this is inside 80. And it's fit me perfectly. Like this, you just yeah, this is you just slide it in, then snap it on like this belt. And this is in one side is the black side is in scabskin, and the gold color side is in epsom. And I really love this is very slim and thin. I want to get the white one also, but when I order this, the white with a two color, it doesn't have my size. So maybe I come back later when they have my size, I will order it. And I really want to have the white one also. And as you can see here, the two buckle is kind of little different. You can see the shape is kind of little. This is called focus, and this is mini constant. And they don't have the constant belt, the buckle for the mini when I order it, but this is kind of, I like this line. And around the buckle you have a very thin line around it. This mini constant doesn't have it, but they have the little H at the end of the letter H. And I worn this a lot, so you can see it's gotten scratched a little bit, but I wear this a lot. This belt with my trouser, my suit, and jacket, and I wore this a lot, so I really love it. It's been 2 years, but you don't see any wear and tear on this one, and only is on the buckle get scratched. So that's why I want to get this one. And the price for this focus, the 15 nanometer, is $585 plus tax. And let's show you. Okay, I have my ruler here, so I can show you. They call it 13. Is 13? Yeah, 13, not 15. I'm sorry, it's 13. They call it 13. Yeah, but when you can see here, it's only 12, around 12.6, not 13. But they call on the website, the name of it is 13. And this belt is 24. And let me, it's 23.8 for the mini constant, but the name is 24. Okay, and both of these I ordered in size 75. And as I say, I wear clothes is size 2 in US. For Europe, for the Ted Baker, I wore size 2 also. But for the Ted Baker clothes brand, if you use size 1, that can like equal to size 0 in US, and size 2 in Ted Baker clothes brand is size 4. So I just give you some information if you you want to know how what size you can order for your belt. And like Sandro brand, clothes brand, I use to buy in size 36 or 38, depend on the material. But most of the time I bought it's size 36 in clothing from Sandro. And that how it was. For the rest of the clothes in US, I wear size 2. So I ordered size 75, not 80, 75 for the belt, and fit me perfectly. So it's still have a little bit left, so you can, if you need more, you can punch a little bit more. But this one I ordered size 75, but when I wore it, I have to ask my husband to punch one more extra hole because it's okay, a little bit loose for me. But if I got the size 70, it's too tight. So I got 75, and he just punched one more hole for me. If you want to get the hole punches, you can go to a Michael store or Joann Fabric. They sell the hole punch, like the leather hole punch, and you have a coupon like 50% off, and you can save a lot of money. Like your husband or yourself or your kid need to have a punch on the belt, a whole extra hole on the belt or your back, your strap, you need it. So that's how I did. I bought the hole punch, the leather hole punch from Michael's store, then so you can save some money. And because we always need the extra, like my husband, my daughter belt, and sometimes my back needs to have shortened a little bit, so I punch a hole. Yeah, and it costs like $30, and if you have a coupon, you have like $15 around that, plus tax. Yeah, and that's all for today. I know it's very short and video. So far I didn't get any earn back yet. I keep waiting because I really want to get the mini Lindy or mini Hazen, but they don't have it yet. Last time he offered me the mini Lindy in the Rose Mexico, but it's not the one I'm looking for. I want to get the either yellow or green, like green or neutral color, because I cannot have so many bags because it's expensive. So I have to get the neutral color. So I keep waiting, and he said he will let me know when they have the neutral color. And thank you so much for taking time to watch my video. And again, I wish you and your family have a wonderful winter season coming, and the Halloween is coming, and Thanksgiving and Christmas. And this one is really nice for the gift Christmas. If you want to get the gift Christmas for someone, for your girlfriend, boyfriend, or daughter, son, this is for unisex. Everyone can wear it. This is really a nice gift, and maybe I will get one of for my daughter Christmas, which she can use for a long time. And the price is not really broke the bank. I know it's expensive, more expensive than Louis Vuitton, but this is very classic and can use for a long time. And I know for sure I will use for a long time. And $585 plus tax, it will work that, because like this one, when I got it, I know it's expensive, but for last 2 years I wore it constantly, and so far with that money, with this much of money I spent on this, it worked it, and it's very classic and really beautiful. Again, I thank you, and I hope I can see all of you in next video. I will have some more video coming up because I can now I don't have to travel until next year, so I have more time to stay home and have more video for you each week before Thanksgiving and before Christmas. Thank you again, and I hope I can see you next time. Bye bye.